250 miles above your head, a machine bigger than a football field is quietly circling the Earth 16 times a day. It's called the International Space Station, and it wasn't built in one place. It was built in orbit, piece, by 16 countries that were, at the time, not exactly getting along. It started in 1998, when Russia launched the first module, Zarya, followed weeks later by the American module Unity. Neither could function alone. Together, they became the seed of something new. Over the next 13 years, more than 40 missions carried modules, solar arrays, and laboratories into orbit. Astronauts conducted over 160 spacewalks, assembling components built on opposite sides of the planet, designed to lock together perfectly on the first try, because there was no repair shop in orbit. By 2011, the station stretched the length of a football field, weighed nearly £1 million, and had become the most expensive object ever built. Over $150 billion, funded by nations that couldn't always agree on Earth, but somehow kept building together in space. Today, it's still up there, still circling. A quiet reminder that some things get built not because they're easy, but because enough people decided together that they mattered.